Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Discover feed in your Chrome browser on your phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, you have your Discover feed right here. So how do you turn it off? What you need to do here is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. So click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Customize New Tab Page. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Discover Feed. Then go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. Once you turn it off, you are done. You have your Discover Feed being turned off right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Chrome browser and different customization about Chromes, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.